Okay, so the question is from IPM Indore Entrance Exam 2023 QASA section. We are given a long polynomial in terms of x, and this polynomial when divided by x minus 1 leaves a remainder 2. So all the values, all the coefficients in this polynomial are known except one, which is c. All other coefficients are known. So the question seems very easy. We can simply use the remainder theorem, and then we can get the value of c. And once we have c, we can get the value of c plus 6. Right? Hopefully the value of c will be negative. That is why we have to find the value of c plus 6 so that the final answer becomes positive, because in QASA section we have to only get the positive answers and positive integer answers. Right. So we can simply solve this question by looking at the divisor, which is x minus 1. So we will want to use here the remainder theorem. So the first step to use the remainder theorem is to check whether the divisor is a linear expression, which is in this case. So x minus 1 is linear. So we'll put that equal to 0 so that we get the value of x, which is 1. So because x is 1, so it will be again very easy to deal with all these powers. So now next step is to replace x equal to 1 in place of x in this long expression. So simply I will skip all the x's because all of them will be equal to 1. So I will simply write the coefficients. Right. And because the question says that remainder is 2. So when we replace x here, the final expression should be equal to 2. That is the remainder theorem. So 4 minus, from this step I will get only 1. From next step I will get plus 3. Next minus 5. Next plus c. Then 2 from here. Then minus 1 from here. Then plus 1 from here. Then next is minus 4. Next is plus 6. And then next is minus 2. So sum of all these coefficients, that should be equal to the remainder, which is 2. So that is the remainder theorem, and more or less the question is solved. So if we add all these values, what do we get? 1 will get cancelled, 2 will be cancelled, 4 will be cancelled. So we are left with very few numbers. 5 and 1, 6 will be cancelled. So we are left with 3 and 6. So c plus 3 is equal to 2. So c is equal to minus 1. So c is negative, c is minus 1. So we need to find the value of c plus 6. C plus 6, that will be minus 1 plus 6, which is 5. So c plus 6 is equal to 5. That will be the final answer.